Oh, hello, hold on a second.
Hello, and welcome to New Wave Computers. I'm Noah Rubin, I'm the CEO. That's Mr. Swope. We only keep him around because he threatened to sue us for intellectual property theft. So let's talk about why we're here today.
Oh, sorry.
Due to our recent success, several competitors have infiltrated. Wow, that was a great event. There really were some talented programmers out there. Can't wait to read the feedback. You know what? I put a lot of work into that event, and I feel like nobody appreciates me. That's it. I'm done. I quit.
But what about New Wave Computers? The company needs you.
I'm the hero it needs, not the hero it deserves.
But who's going to run the company?
You can. Here's the paperwork. Oh, and I'm keeping the company car.
Oh, hello. I'm Mr. Swope, President, Founder, and CEO of New Wave Computers. Now I want to welcome you on this beautiful day. A lot has changed in the last year, and I think you'll agree that all of it's for the better. So it's been an amazing 3 years of growth. New products, new employees, so many things to get excited about. And to help raise morale even farther, we're going to have a casino night for everyone involved with New Wave Computers. Right guys, you excited? Everyone? Anyone? Well, I don't know. I guess we might have to just open this up to others besides our New Wave employees. So that's where you come into play. Today is going to be our casino day. I hope you have a great time with it.